Hi, and welcome to the Golden Elite channel. Today we'll be looking at the different freestanding bathtub faucets that we sell at Golden Elite. They're specifically made for freestanding bathtubs, such as this one right here. Very nice and comfy. So let's go take a look at those. Our freestanding bath faucets are available in 3 stunning finishes: chrome, white and chrome, and matte black. We believe in the quality of our products and offer a limited lifetime warranty on all our freestanding bath faucets. You can have a peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Our faucets are constructed from solid brass for increased longevity and strength. They are also equipped with ceramic cartridges, ensuring smooth and leak-free operation even after years of regular use. Thank you for discovering Golden Elite Deco's collection of freestanding bathtubs and bath faucets with us. For more information, visit our website or one of our 4 locations across the Greater Montreal area.